Okay, let's do a problem involving markup. Okay, markup is the amount of money that a store increases the price of something before they sell it to you. Okay, a store buys items at a price called the wholesale price, and then they sell it to you for a higher price, usually called the selling price. Okay, the amount that they add to the price is called the markup. Okay, think of it this way. They have to make money. They have to pay their employees. They have to pay for the rent and the electricity. So they have to make money off of you. So they're marking up everything that they sell. Okay, so the selling price is the wholesale price plus however much they mark it up. And it's a percentage just like discounts are. Okay, let's just look at this problem. The wholesale price of a pack of pencils is 75 cents. Okay, so that means Walmart pays 75 cents for these pencils. And then they mark it up 125% before they sell it to you. Okay, so find the amount of the markup and the selling price. Okay, the markup, okay, that's going to be 125% of the 75 cents. I'm going to type that in, 125% of 75 cents. Okay, so I'm going to use the shortcut. I'm going to move the decimal point 2 to the left. Notice you don't get in front of all of your digits here. Okay, you end up being between the 1 and the 2. So 1.25 is what you get. Of means times, and then type in 0.75. So we need to take 1.25 times 0.75. Okay, and again, we have the Desmos calculator. You could click on the link, type in 1.25 times 0.75. Okay, don't click equals, it's already here. Okay, so you need to think about, is this closer to 93 cents or to 94 cents? Okay, well, since the third digit is 5 or more, you have to round up to 94 cents. Okay, so I'm going to type in 94 cents. Okay, so they're going to mark it up 94 cents before selling these to you. Okay, so you're going to have to buy them for the 75 cents that they paid for the pencils, plus an extra 94 cents that they mark it up. If you want to, you can use the calculator again. 0.75 plus 0.94. Okay, $1.69. $1.69. So they spend 75 cents on the pencils. They mark it up 94 cents, and then they sell them to you for $1.69. And the way that we found the markup is we found 125% of 75 cents by moving the decimal point 2 to the left on your percentage and remembering that of means multiply. Okay? The shortcut, if you only needed the selling price, okay, think of it this way. You have to not only spend 100% of the 75 cents that Walmart has to pay, but you also have to pay an additional 125% tacked onto that. You know, that's kind of a tricky thing to think about. But you have to spend 225%. You have to spend 225% of the 75 cents. Okay, the 100% is the original 75 cents plus an extra 125%. You're going to have to pay 225% of 75 cents. Okay, so move the decimal 2 to the left. 2.25 of means times, and then 0.75. So if you take 2.25 times 0.75, you will get the $1.69 that we got before. And again, the shortcut for right now is just optional. I just wanted you guys, if you were catching on, to think about these extra ways to look at the problems on the end of these. Okay, let me know if you have questions. Try problem 2. It's real similar to this. Use the video if you need to. At least check your answers when you're all done to make sure you got it right.